Hi, I'm Julia.
And I'm Devin.
Welcome back to Glaze TV.
Today we're at Infusion Lounge with Jung, and she's going to be teaching us more about her business, Cocktail Culture.
We're going to be learning how to make some luxurious cocktails.
Let's check it out.
We're going to be making a raspberry mojito here and a blackberry bourbon smash.
All right, let's
So,
do it.
We're going to grab
Teach us.
our mint leaves right over here and the blackberries. For you, we have raspberries.
Okay.
Okay.
Dropping the berries in.
And drop the berries in. Okay. And we're going to take the mint and ready? Slap it.
How do you know? How do you know how
Just
to?
once. Don't get too crazy.
Okay.
How do you know
what's
to
going
do
on
this?
here?
What is happening?
So no, when you slap the mint, it releases the oils. But if you rip the mint leaves, it actually it makes your drink look. You makes your mojito look green. Okay, and then you get little bits and pieces
Not so
of.
pretty.
Ready? And we're gonna muddle. We're gonna push down
Okay, here
and
we go.
twist a few times, and that's perfect. We're gonna grab the Bacardi rum. We're gonna do an ounce and a half.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna grab our. Where's our lime juice?
Lime
juice.
Okay. Is this for this one right here?
Yep, right there, half an ounce. And over here, I'm gonna give you the lemon juice.
Okay.
So it's half an ounce of lime, half an ounce of lemon. All right, and then we're also gonna take, ready, our mint syrup right over there. And this is basically mint infused simple syrup. So we're gonna do half an ounce
Okay.
of the homemade mint syrup.
Am I doing this too?
Drop that in, yup.
I can smell it. It smells really good.
Okay, great. And we have everything, we just need ice. And we're gonna cap it and we're gonna shake it. And strain.
Okay, I'm excited for this one. Wow.
And we're gonna take
Garnish.
our blackberries.
Okay, we've got my raspberry
Our
here.
raspberries. Okay.
Perfect.
All right, perfect. And you're all set. Ready?
Oh yeah. Throw a little leaf in there. Beautiful. Look
This
at
is
that.
so,
Leaf in
it's
there.
too pretty.
And
Wow.
throw a little leaf in there.
Okay, am I allowed to drink this now?
And it's good to go.
Yay! Now I know how to make this.
You're
my gosh,
right.
this
It's
is
not
amazing.
too strong. I could start off with
This
it.
is so
This
good.
we actually
It's
need it
dangerous.
and it's fresh and it's homemade. So you know what we take a lot of pride in
Yeah.
is that we don't use any of the roses lime juice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
None of
that-
the
you can
roses,
just-
grenadine, no Shirley Temples here, right?
Right. No
You can
Shirley
really tell the
Temples here.
difference.
You can. You absolutely can. I feel like a lot of the ingredients that you use, and also you teach us really well. Like we're able to
Yeah.
follow along with it, and we're not experienced bartenders, so we're able to kind of follow along
Yeah,
with
it
the
was
process.
like pour by the end of that.
So now that we're cocktail connoisseurs, thanks to Jung from Cocktail Culture,
We're ready to make these amazing cocktails. Join us next time on Glaze TV.
see you soon.